Hello, and today we are going to take a look at adding decimals. So the place value at decimals is very important because when adding and subtracting decimals, you need to understand the place value of the numbers. With the 11 plus 1.1, the numbers both have two digits. However, only one digit in each number has the same place value. So 11 plus 1.1 equals 12.1 because the 11 and the 1 are the only numbers that are whole numbers, and it's 0.1 of a number. So that's where you get 12.1. So have a look here, right or wrong. Here are some calculations involving decimals. Which have the correct answer? Where the answer is incorrect, can you explain what mistakes have been made? So pause the video at this point and see if you can answer it, and see then if you get your answer right. So 23 plus 2.3, well, we've got 23, you can do these mentally. 23 plus 2 is 25, plus 3, of course, is 25 plus 3. Oh, sorry now. Then we've 38 plus 3.8. Oh, that doesn't look right to me. And 5.6 plus 5.6. Let's show the answer. So we've got correct, incorrect, of course, and incorrect again, as 5 plus 5 equals 10, and the 6 plus 6 equals 12, but 0.6 plus 0.6 equals 1.2. So 5.6 plus 5.6 is 11.2. Okay, so is this correct? Again, if you want to pause the video, please do. With formal methods, you need to line up the different place values. The decimal point will also be lined up. So it's very important that the decimal point is lined up underneath each other as if it's the buttons on a shirt. So which calculation is correct? Can you tell me which is correct? And explain why. Of course, this is correct as the decimal points are perfectly underneath each other. Here we have a decimal point here, and the other decimal point is way over here, so that can't be correct. So the matching place values and decimal points are lined up, and of course the matching place values and the decimal points are not lined up. So using zeros, sometimes it is helpful to place a zero where a digit is not given. So as you can see here, 345.6 plus 49.24. There is a blank space here, and this is where you put in your placeholder. The zero becomes the placeholder. As you can see, we have 345.60 plus 49.24. So it makes it much easier to add it up. So it is more useful with the subtraction. Here we have again the same numbers, but we're taking away this time. And again, you can just see the zero is placed in there correctly. So with adding, remember to place the answers within the correct columns in the answer section. So let's work through this one together. So we have 345.6 plus 49.24. Well, 4 plus 0 is 4. So you need to place the decimal point in the correct position in the answer section. So the decimal point is here. Start by adding the smallest value, of course. Then we move on to 6 tenths plus 2 tenths equals 8 tenths. Then you've got your decimal point down already. Then 5 ones plus 9 ones equals 14 ones. So we place the 110 into the tens column and the 4 in the ones column in the answer section. Moving along, we've got 110 plus 4 tenths plus 4 tenths, which equals 9 tenths. And then we have 3 hundredths plus 0 hundredths equals 3 hundredths. So your total answer is 394.84. Have a go at this. Look back and see if you need to, and see if there's anything that you need to revise. And best of luck with the questions. Have a quick practice with this and see if you get it correct. Pause the video before you complete the answers, and best of luck. So I will go through the answers now, so if you want to pause beforehand. Hopefully you got them all right. Well done.